Mhm.
So there's the majority of people that they're protesting are not actually protesting. We had the first situation with Renee Good, so we all know how that ended, and now we got this other guy. I don't even really recall his name. What is it? Purdy is his last name or something like that.
Yeah.
Something, was it Jake or anyway? Another person that was actively
False saint.
yeah, false saint. Another person that's actively trying to prevent law enforcement from doing their job, which is illegal, by the way. All I have to say, the main thing I have to say about this issue is that these people are losers. Okay, they're absolute losers. Who has the time when we, in the current state climate of America, are barely trying to get by? The majority of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, personal consumer debt, trillions of dollars, all time. Who has the time to actually go out there and protest in these freezing cold temperatures?
Well, I would definitely say that there will be paid agitators.